This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Move the safety catch to the side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge. The air filter is located above the engine. Undo the screws and remove the filter cover. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any debris from the filter housing. Then locate the new element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the cover, ensuring the tabs at the rear engage. Then tighten the retaining screws securely. Detach the support prop from the bonnet hinge and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.